It's been a long time. Come on. Yeah. Hey, yo, it's my life, my time, my rights, my rhymes, my grind, my struggle, hustle, sweat in my blood too. A predator smells fear, I smell a lot. My competitors fled scared, cause they smelled I was hot. I want it all.
What's going on, guys? KS Vlogs here, back with another video. So today we are going to Charlotte Motor Speedway for the Roval weekend, and I gotta run across the road. Yeah. All right, guys. So I've made it in here. Charlotte's back there. We're in the fan zone. Got my wristband for the JGR Fan Fest. We're gonna have fun. This is gonna be a fun ride. We're also going to Hendrick Motorsports because I want a wristband for the William Byron autograph session, but I'll put that separate to this. Yeah, we're headed to the fan zone. I'll see you in the fan zone. All right, guys, so I'm back. Yeah, we just took a picture with the Bank of America Roval 400 sign. I'll pop that picture up now. There you go. We're going over here to this wheel, I think. And there's an Xfinity car up under this sheet right here. I wonder what it is. But yeah, I'll see what we can do. Let's go.
You got the gray.
I got the gray.
And that is a helmet. Right,
That's a nice one.
Thank you.
Look at that. Big time.
All right, so I did end up going to Hendrick. I did not record because I did not feel like putting that all together, but I'm going to put it in this vlog. I'll pop a picture up with William Byron here. Okay, we're going to go inside Charlotte. I'll see you there. All right, guys, so I'm back. We're getting ready to go inside the Speedway. First, we're going to stop by the fan zone, I think. I don't know, but we're going to the fan zone. I might buy something. I don't know what I'm going to get, but I'm going to try to get something. Hopefully, I can get a 124, but I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you at the fan zone. Alright, guys, so we made it to the fan zone. As you can see right here, we got merch trailers lined up everywhere and stuff to do for fans around here. We're here for 3 days straight, like I already said in my intro. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun, probably buy some stuff. But yeah, let's see what we can do. Alright, guys, did not stop in the fan zone. They're doing driver introductions right now. I'm gonna go down through here because I gotta go get our seats. We're getting ready to go get our seats. We're here. How do you feel, Cron? We're here.
Man, I'm happy to be here. Glad to be here. First truck race in 10 years.
We have made it inside the track right there. But yeah, looking now, this is awesome. We're sitting in a good spot. Driver intros are still going on. I think they have like 30-some trucks or 20-some trucks going on. And yeah. Alright, guys, so trucks are now out on track. I can't really tell you. That's Karan. He's ready. I'm ready. Let's get it. Let's have fun.
Yes, sir. Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Here we go. Here I go. Race car. Alright, guys, here's the leader for most of the race. Alright, guys, so we're in the final stage of the race. Look at Karan. Got Kenny. How do you feel, Karan?
I feel great. Glad to be here. It's been a decent race so far. It's pretty loud when they come through, though, and my hair is all out of whack.
That's ugly.
Hey, I'm happy to be here, ready for Fan Day coming up next and this burnout. So we got 24 to go. I am ready.
Let's go.
Power.
Well, you see them there.
Yeah.
Ice on my neck, cost like 5K. I want a girl built just like Kim K.
Alright guys, truck race is over. Good win by Corey Heim, good burnout. That was awesome. My ears are ringing a little bit, not as bad as Bristol, but yeah, we're heading to the fan zone to get to the JGR Fan Fest, and I'll see you there. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm gonna put some of the Holler Parade trailers in there. I'm gonna put them in there. Yeah, I'll put some of them in there. Yeah. Got
Hey, y'all be sure to go subscribe to this man. He's constantly putting in the work. Go subscribe to my boy TH Vlogs.
Go subscribe to KG Vlogs as well.
Hey, yes sir, appreciate you. Yes sir.
Yes. Here we are. We got Michael McDowell's hauler now. As you can see right here. Got some more down there. We got Austin Dillon's way down there.
Nice hauler.
Right there. As you can see. But yeah. We got him there. I'm gonna turn the camera around real quick. Here's SVG's hauler coming by for the Holler Parade. That is going to do it for day one of vlogging. Until next time, TH Vlogs, peace.